Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV is online. If you see no internet, fix that first. Once done, note the DNS numbers you want to use, primary then secondary, because you'll enter exact IPs. Now navigate. Settings, General, Network, then select Network Status to access IP settings. This sequence takes you directly to the network summary, so you can move from checking connectivity to editing DNS. Make sure to use numeric DNS entries, rather than names, to avoid resolution errors. You'll change the DNS inside IP settings. Select DNS setting and choose Enter manually so you don't get an automatic ISP address. Then type the primary DNS exactly, followed by the secondary, keeping the dotted numeric format to prevent parsing errors. After entering both, save the configuration and run the network status test to force the TV to query DNS. This verifies the TV can resolve domain names. If it fails, recheck digits and any trailing spaces before moving on to the final steps. You finish by restarting the TV and router so the new DNS takes effect and cached entries are cleared. This often resolves lingering issues. If some apps still fail, re-enter the DNS addresses and test using a known public DNS such as 8 to isolate ISP problems. Make sure to test multiple apps or a web browser in the TV. Only perform a network factory reset if nothing else works, because that removes saved networks and forces you to reconfigure Wi-Fi or Ethernet settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.